everyone, in this video through I wanna tell you that how can we practice English, because English is everywhere. You can speak practice, you can practice English everywhere. So now I am going to show something, and also I am going to tell something. So now I'm going to turn my camera all around. You can see the beautiful picture of all around. Now you can see some buildings, you can here look some building, also you can see fields, and there are banana trees, guava trees, some plants, you can see some plants, you can see. Yeah, this is the scene, and you have to just come outside of and you have to speak. How much you can speak, you have to speak. There's one road and tree. Yes, like that we have to practice English. Now I will show you car on the road is going. Also I will show you some one bus is going. This is the road, this is the scene of all around. This is the roof, this is the terrace called. I will show you some things. You can see there electric tower. Friends, I want to tell you that no matter where you live, you whatever you look, and you have to speak whatever your mind comes. You speak. Just this is the called language. You are speaking in. You are translating all things your language. No matter where you live, just you have to practice English. English come through speaking. If you speak English everywhere, definitely you can able to speak. Just now I'm speaking. Yeah, I'm thinking that everywhere I will practice English. That's why I practice everywhere. After going, after sitting all time, I think in English, how to speak English. Yes, English is your all around everywhere. You can practice. And now I'm going, and also I'm speaking that I'm doing English speaking practice. So in this time I have just come out of my house, and I'm trying to speak just like we have to do. So if every day I practice English, then definitely our fluency, everything will be okay, and one day we can become a good speaker. So my dear friends, every day we have to practice like speaking practice. One day definitely we can achieve, we can learn this language. It's very easy. But if you should practice, if you do every day practice any kinds of, definitely one day your English will be okay. Everyone's English will be okay. Also I'm trying to learn. While walking now I'm getting tired, so I'm going to take rest. So in this time you can see a chair here available, so I'm going to sit. So now I have sat in this chair, so I am taking rest. Means that I am doing rest. Yeah, this through we can practice English. I hope that you got it, my friend. And everyone, I will tell that all my kids disturb me, but I do not care about any disturbance. So I keep continue my journey English speaking. So you can see that you can see that here both are fighting to each other, but don't think about anyone, family, any members, but you have to carry on your English learning journey. Definitely you will be able to speak if you continue.